Hi there, students. Prim. Okay, prim is an adjective. It can also be a verb. It's probably a little bit dated as a verb. And primly as an adverb. Okay, we use prim in a couple of ways, but they're all linked. Let's see. Prim, stiffly formal and proper. Following decorum and manners and morality, accepted manners and morality, to an excessive degree. Obsessed with being perfect and being morally the best, following the rules exactly. So Victorian society has a reputation for being very prim. Yeah? Prim, being too worried about propriety and good form, doing the right thing, the social mores. My prim aunt disapproves of your miniskirts. She disapproves of my miniskirts even more. Okay, so notice this meaning prim, it's critical. It says prudish, prissy, yeah? Too obsessed about obeying the rules, absolutely. So notice this meaning is critical, but we can also use to prim positively, or prim as an adjective positively, meaning neat, well-groomed, tidy. So you could never call me prim. My hair's always out of place. There's always a spot on my shirt, etc. Okay? So prim, neat and tidy. To dress primly. Everything is in the right place. The room was prim and tidy. Okay, he's always neat and well groomed. He's prim. She's prim as well. The garden was prim and there was not a leaf out of place. And then from this we get the verb to prim, as I said, probably a little old-fashioned, meaning to make something neat and tidy, especially your appearance and clothes. He spent an hour primming before he came down to meet the ladies. Yeah, he spent all of that time primming himself. Maybe he's a bit prim as well. Very often we use with this word prim the collocation prim and proper. This we use with the meaning to have traditional and morally conservative beliefs and behaviour, to follow the line absolutely. She's so prim and proper, I bet she's never even looked at a man in her life. Prudish, prissy. Okay, so to prim, a regular verb. He primmed for an hour. He has primmed all day. And then, what about formality? I think I'd probably give this a 6. I think it's probably flexible and you could use it anywhere. It might sound I think it sounds a little bit literary and a little bit old-fashioned. But informally, well, prissy, stiff, starchy, something like that. And then the origin, well, it comes to English from Latin through French, and it comes from the Latin word primus, first. Yeah, so you're first in everything, in your morality, I guess. So prim, overly formal, a prim maiden aunt. Prim, neat and tidy. Make sure your room is prim. And then to prim, to groom, to make look nice, to make neat and tidy. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Prim.